between them. It's the man to get the game started, originally from Cape Town. He's got a fair bit of experience under his belt and just under 100 appearances in the top flight of South African football. 87, he's got 13 to go to reach the magical 100. And so all eyes will be on that back four and how quick it is to settle, of course, in what is very much a new look back four, barring the presence of Inacio Mikel. In looking at the entrances here, still many fans of Kaizer Chiefs making their way into the Moses Mapida Stadium. Chiefs with a good positive early start. They're spaced on the far side. The quality of the ball, though, lacking in trying to ensure that Kotoko pinned back. Now they look to find some spaces out wide. Yeah, good ball, good first touch and driving run, getting to the byline and ball in too close to be the bit of space now to send in the cross in towards the far post and very nearly turned into a cross cut. Like you overcooked, but you can see the intent.
Shenjana, Samiko Bonasa to let Samiko Amumarobenga. Abata Kina by Romela Mabagosala de Tene Catelelo Lilepo, a lollipop. Kakalaba Hokabayata La Comorajo, Ahmed Kamara. Took a fete tata to Tolakakwano. Away to South Korea, about Antwi Abaromela. Brother Peter said about Tolakakwanta Sekuto. Free header. Yagotosa Chala came and Antwi, Abaromela Manuel, Tulakatoro, Bago Hokafela, Pelebokoa, Ebeatuna, Tata, Mo Keleniadina, Africa Bora, Lady Vilagazi. Arabona Obrigado, Abai Benela Mutarayar play on, Avansai Pilin, Antola Pass, Arbonne Tony Gibara Cotifa, Arbonne Tony Fella, Abaituala Mokelinio, Lekawana Lepo.
We also joined them in July of this year. Lovely cross for your ball then. Now, header! Wide of the mark.
McCarthy, Raque Fabian. Batale Chalo Kakua Northwest, Kwa Freibeck, Kwa Motitoropong, Kwa Toropong, Ya Coleridge, Kwa Todomotitoropong, Coleridge, Elephant Tagatoropong, Ya Freibeck, Aromela Cliente, Arbone, Fela Tomorico Tenkanako Mohamed Kamara, Fondo Villa Flavio Warretoluga, Kibora Koti Kibora Matomora, Fela Batachalo, Mona Toretoko Kakoni. Chiefs, Abatia Kereke Boga! Komarago Motile Yaka, Aiden McCarthy, Aleka Wayaga Chiefs, Arbonaba Tadira, I'm Tutuzi, we want Jalaka Toko, Arbon Singer, Abarmela Salaritini, Pelaba Busa, Kinsel Mocaronia Consipilio, Chiefs Batadira Mopilio, Capanajali Pulemori, Abakova, Piletana Koti, Chiefs, Mama Koti, Abamon, Cemetery, Tori Mosai. Mataraganya Bare, Matamego, Pepper, Lepele. Yaleka,
Home, Kaizer Chiefs as they push forward. Tetra. No, but now Chiefs with a Satan goal! Oh, it's come off the woodwork. Camera well and truly beaten. Best chance of the second half. Tetra. Chiefs pushing forward again, looking to blow the door down. That's good chance, and once involved. Nobo on the turn, and well, Shabalala. So Sambo News just picked up the yellow card. So all in far post, and well, it's very nearly. They just about get their house in order. Kotoko quality in the ball in here. Can't ignore it as there is a man.
Chiefs, about South Pideo, I don't want him to or tie. I don't want to kill him to do it. About Romela Capelli, Lille Paul.
Across, I beg your pardon, again easily dealt with took having enough numbers back. Chiefs again looking for another opportunity, and well, they're appealing for a penalty. Eyes on. Kumalo. Have a look at it again. Shabalala looking for Mori. There's contact between them. There's Miguel! Oh, he's gone wide! They can't believe it. Just about 5 remaining. The keeper had gone the wrong way, looking for the... So, here is Ansu. Oh, that's beautifully done. Found the bottom corner, and it's Asante Kotoko to take the advantage. On the ball, and on the prize.
One. Ano ba na Serena with Camila Mofofuaya Kokoyone? 1-1. One Kaizer Chiefs, one Asante Kotoko. Ata Kilewe Baka Kobukawa. One
Woods is Amoa. I'm still ready. Put one beyond Amoa. Start a step. Amoa it is again. The keeper's really standing no chance of getting onto the end.
Do you know? Faba na umalele ukaba urutletseka dipale. Abakita ba isireletsa. Aba isirya matla wandile tuba. Ataulo ga isireletsa khile
Lords Amoa. Looking to make it 3-1 in favor of Kotoko. Amoa! Oh, it's gone wide! It all around here.
Akuel. Kiene Kotsalusu. Adabone! Vale, que bone manda masango. Ona le kone mo tsabe ko ampere ziru achalo kem totozi. Panenka. Baitsa ba mo le tloeng. Adu bone ka to Asante.
Last one. Need to convert this. Yeah! Denied by Peterson. Went for power. The first 5.
Hayden McCarthy kena go tsankile. Harman McCarthy. Abasirala Kamara. La. Setlogolo saka kwa Freiburg. Kwa Coleridge. Arretira la giseo. Arabona Asante Kotoko.
Go. And they bury this. Oh, what a save from Peterson. Keeper's day. Into the shootout. In this case, O'Neill, I beg your pardon.
Bonnete ke gore o tsile pele ga nako Brendan Peterson. Chiefs ke ditshimega. Sa setšhana sa wa ya go yone pule. A ba sireletsa. Peterson. Bano sa Chiefs ba sireletsa no eo. 2-2.
Death by the away. They've struggled in the last 3 in as far as conversions. Kotoko. Can Johnson get them back to scoring ways? The answer is yes. Sends the keeper go wrong. Nicely done. Kept his cool.
Go. Arbana Miguel. Ole magana chana le kamera. Waya. Wakita. Abasireletsa. Le katola mobedi. Afosa penalty. Wala tsatsile gompieno. Mme seo se raya gore Chiefs ya latlhegelwa. Inacio Miguel. Afosa penalty.